Yo, it's Duke, and my quick word of the day is rebuilding. A lot of you will make mistakes in the weight loss journey, maybe overeating, binge eating, falling back into old habits, whatever it may be. I want you to look at it as a point of rebuilding. You're learning about yourself. You're learning about how your mind is working towards food, your relationship towards food, your relationship towards working out and recovery, and keeping yourself on a plan or on a mission to achieve a certain goal that you're working towards. So see it as a point of rebuilding, not as a point of giving up. This is something new. This is something that you're learning on the go. So be patient with yourself and have grace. And know that you're always in a point of rebuilding because you actually are rebuilding your mind and your body. So that's my quick word. Peace.